Namaste and welcome. What does it really mean to grow? Is it material success, spiritual elevation, self-improvement? In Hindu sacred scriptures, you will find varied notions of growth. Today, I'd like to focus on just one idea of growth, which I associate with the term Bhagavān. So what does the term Bhagavān mean? Just as in the English language, we have various terms to describe God or ultimate reality. And those terms can be Lord, Sovereign, Savior, so on and so forth. So also in the Hindu world, there are various expressions for the divine being. One such term is the word Bhagavan. This word is used to respectfully and devotionally refer to one's deity, and that deity is in an anthropomorphic form, has attributes, and it could be Viṣṇu, it could be Śiva, and if it's the goddess, it would not be Bhagavan, but Bhagavati. So what does the term Bhagavan mean? And I won't bother you with the Sanskrit, but the term Bhagavan means one who possesses Bhaga, that is the 6 divine opulences. And these are fully present in Bhagavan and they are limitless. The first is Aiśvarya, sovereignty or lordship. The second is Vīrya, strength or heroism. The third is fame or glory, called Yaśas. Then we have Shri, which is beauty, splendor. Next, we have knowledge and wisdom, called Jñāna. And finally, we have detachment, renunciation, called Vairāgya. These 6 qualities are without limit in Bhagavan. Now, the question that you would ask is, how does this guide growth? For the practitioner, it means becoming sovereign, mastering your own mind, senses, and life. Just as Bhagavan rules the universe, one would also rule one's own little universes responsibly and, of course, ethically. One would grow in strength, courage, resilience, and cultivate spiritual and moral strength to overcome challenges. One would become famous or glorious, not in an ego-driven kind of a way, very famous on once more fan following on social media, that kind of stuff, but fame, actions that basically respect and uplift others, actions that can bring about change in our society. One would reflect this nature of Bhagavan by growing spiritually, by becoming beautiful and harmonious and graceful, by aligning one's life with all things that are beautiful. One would grow in knowledge, grow in self-knowledge as well as wisdom of the scriptures, and understand or grow in insight into the nature of reality. What does this have to do with Vairāgya, with detachment? It has to do, for the practitioner, it means it has to do with letting go of attachments, things that may be selfish, that may not be of great help to the community. Why do these things matter? In Hindu theology, these 6 qualities are perfectly present in Bhagavan, and our growth is a process of reflecting these qualities. So it's not about becoming. However, it is just a process of reflecting, growing close to our divine potential, embodying these qualities of the divine as best as we can. So as we grow, we cultivate sovereignty over ourselves. We cultivate the strength to face challenges. We inspire others through our character. We develop inner beauty and harmony. We become wise, and we detach ourselves from things that may be harmful or dangerous for society. In this way, growth is not becoming more godlike, but reflecting the God or goddess, if you will, who is already within us, who is our nature. And with this, I wish you well, and I pray that you take a moment to reflect and see in which area of your life you need to grow. And if these 6 qualities could help you to grow or could help you to think about growth. Thank you, and I wish you well.